All right, ladies and gentlemen, the first ever Indian black drum off. Here he is, Akshay Bimbit. Wow. All right, Akshay.
Whip it through the glass.
Yeah. Well, yeah, no, let's do it. Sam, you know what? Justin, before you get back there, because I believe, here, come this way real quick. We're going to get to you in just a second, because I do believe that in this crazy world that we live in, I'm betting that Sam Talent can actually beat Akshay Bimbit in this drum off. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our first ever Indian white black drum off. That's right. It's the first time you've ever heard that sound effect before. That is Terrorist with the Friends theme and baking soda.
Baking soda.
Ladies and gentlemen, here to beat Akshay. Akshay, step back here with Justin so that the cameras can get Sam Talent defeating you in your own thing that you do, supposedly. Ladies and gentlemen, Sam Talent on the drums. Oh, shit.